Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Rush from more reviews. So we are here back on the channel. So right now we are on the Nelson Mandela Highway, popularly known as Ferry. We're gonna take a look on an area that's been developed. I've done a previous video on it before, so I'll link that in the comments and the description as usual. And we're just checking out an update for today. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to like the video, remember to leave a comment and share the video as well, so that other persons can see the awesome developments that are happening in Jamaica, in Kingston, all around. So this is the newly finished ferry. Was widened, repaved, reconstructed, new bridges. Was a total development of the ferry area, the Nelson Mandela Highway. So we take a right turn here and we see the barricade in front of me. Some accident happened of some sort. It hasn't been fixed yet. It's good that the barricade was there, because I'm sure that vehicle would have gone over. And then in front of me again is the new Tropical Battery headquarters. Recently finished, recently opened. That's Tropical Battery, and again I'll link the video that shows a little bit more details of the industrial park on the left. Alright, so we'll be giving you a closer look, guys, of the Kingston 876 Commercial Park. It's a new development that's happening. It's on the left. So all the empty land that was swamp, they're developing it into a commercial park. So far, Nestle's over there, Chapman, which is a truck company, a cooking gas company as well, a BPO call center they're developing, and other companies, other distributors, Raymore Trading. So those are some of the companies that are currently over there. This will be one of their entrance or exits when it's complete, so you don't have to drive around the entire area. So there's some work happening over there beside the BPO complex, beside the car center. So I just want to show you guys what's happening and give you guys an update as well. So that's what we're going to look at today. Again, leave your comment and definitely share the video as well, so more persons can see the development that's happening. So it's the Kingston 876 Commercial Park. Alright, so this is Nestle on the left. Alright, so that's the BPO company that's being developed. Right in front of us, this is Nestle back gate on the left. And then the new site that they're working on is beside the BPO company. So after driving around just for a little, what we'll do is to probably come outside and show you guys around the place a little bit. So they're dumping up the land. Not sure what they're building, not sure what they're doing, but some form of construction is happening for sure. So it could be a warehouse, could be a foundation for a warehouse, but as time goes by, I'm sure you guys will definitely let me know what's happening over there if you guys get any information, and I'll keep checking up on it as well. What I'll do is just to go down to Tropical Battery and then come back up, then I'll show you guys around the area. So still a lot of empty lands. Still a lot of lands that haven't been developed yet, but I know that they're actively vetting potential investors. So as time go by, we'll see more construction starting over here. So a very big area, very big potential, and for the companies that paved the way and already here, you know, kudos to them. I think this would be the water pumping station. They have good road already, they have light, they have water, they have drainage, so the basic infrastructures are in place. So this is the new Tropical Battery. Then that's the highway up there. Alright, so let's go back around to the construction area and I'll show you guys around. It's basically just foundation, they just started, but keeping you guys updated. And as usual guys, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting, and thanks for being a part of the channel. Alright guys, so that's showing you guys around the area. So it seems as if it's a warehouse that's gonna be beside the call center. So they're doing foundation work. Remember to leave your comment guys, and if you have more details on this development, probably the developer, probably the company, you can also let me be aware as well.